Every once in a while you get to drive something that reminds you why people fall in love with old cars in the first place. Not because it's fast, not because it's valuable, because somebody cared enough to build it exactly the way they want. This is one of those vehicles. Volkswagen people called it the Type 2. Most people just call it a bus. This one is a 1964 double cab pickup Doka. And even among Volkswagen people, they're pretty uncommon. You don't see many of them. You definitely don't see many built like this. At first glance, it almost looks stock. Dove blue, vintage white, simple steel body, safari windows, roof rack, you get it, fold down bedsides, the whole deal. It's exactly what you'd expect from a beautifully restored Volkswagen. Until you drive it. Because underneath all that vintage charm, this truck has been completely reimagined. Instead of a little 1.5 air-cooled engine struggling to keep up with modern traffic, there's a freshly built 2.3-liter flat 4, a close ratio 4-speed, front disc brakes, a lowered suspension, a narrowed beam. Everything was done for a reason. To make this 60-year-old truck feel like something you'd actually want to drive. And that's probably my favorite part. Nobody built this to win a Concours, even though it could. Nobody built this to sit under lights at a museum, even though it could. They built it to drive. You row through the gears, you hear the engine working behind you, you look out over that flat windshield, and suddenly you're driving something that feels 60 years old and completely modern at the same time. Cars like this remind me that horsepower has never really been the point. Character is. You smile at 40 miles an hour. People wave, kids point. Everyone has a story about a Volkswagen. Very few of them have ever seen one like this. Our friend Chef has owned this double cab for more than a decade. The latest build has fewer than 1,000 miles on it, and now it's ready for its next caretaker. If you're watching this because you found it on BringATrailer, good luck. Somebody is going to end up with a very special Volkswagen. Happy bidding.